Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Begin by lowering the window and removing the interior trim pieces. Use a plastic pry tool to release clips, then remove 3 screws with a Torx T20 and one 10mm fastener behind the door pull. Carefully lift the panel up and away to free the lower clips. Disconnect the inner door handle cable and electrical switches and set the panel aside. For safety, disconnect the battery negative terminal for at least 1 minute before touching wiring or the mirror harness. With the door panel removed, reach behind the triangular trim at the mirror base and peel it off to expose the mirror studs. Hold the mirror to prevent it falling, then use a 10mm socket to remove the 3 studs or nuts securing the mirror to the door. Reach inside to unplug the mirror harness connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight apart. Once unplugged and fasteners removed, pull the mirror straight out from the door, guiding the harness through the hole to avoid snags. Position the new replacement mirror against the door, feeding its harness through the access hole and aligning the 3 studs. Hand start each 10mm nut to avoid cross-threading, then torque the nuts evenly to 7 FTLB 9.5 Nm using a torque wrench. Reconnect the mirror harness and reconnect the battery negative terminal. Verify mirror adjustment, heated glass function, and turn signal or puddle light operation if equipped. If everything works, reinstall the triangle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.